Sawadika, hello everyone, I'm Oath, Thai in the United States. When I first came here, the first time I watched my husband cook pizza, I had no idea how. He cooked grappa in the pan first and adds garlic, chopped onion. That's it, I remember. And then he used dry cheese pizza and pizza sauce in the can. And then after that, every time I cook pizza for him, I follow his way until one day I got wrong tomato paste. Instead of tomato sauce for pizza in a can, he said the paste was too thick. And then for some time, a long while, I looked on YouTube. I would like to try make my own dough if I can make it. And then I follow the video that shortest time, because every YouTuber I watched, they supposed to wait for the dough rise up for several hours. That I didn't want to wait that long, so I found one. I don't need to wait that long for the dough to rise up. And then I used ketchup and mixing with chili sauce, I guess. My husband like the dough, but he doesn't like the taste sauce much because he said it is different from the can. And then later on, I try the fresh dough in the refrigerator that I purchased from supermarket. That one was croissant dough, and I didn't read the package. That dough was too sweet. Could not eat that pizza at all. I need to separate the flour because I already cooked. Separate flour and topping and recook something because the dough was too sweet. Then our pizza was too sweet. And about the sauce, I learned later there are many jars, the sauce in the jar, that I thought they was only for spaghetti. And then I learned something about marina. I'm not quite sure about the name of the sauce. And then I went to supermarket and then look on the shelf. Oh, there are plenty different sauce for pizza, for spaghetti, and also marina something. And then I pick, and yeah, it was good. And about pizza dough, I found in the refrigerator. As you see on my video, I used that since. The fresh pizza dough, the first one I got in rectangular shape, and then I got that for a while until one day I didn't read the package. Then I got small round pizza dough like you seeing now, and I was wondering why it is different. But it is a good size because my husband can finish it in 2 meals. When compared with that, the bigger dough, it took longer days. And then I add vegetables for him, such as mushroom, pepper, because when he cooked by himself, he didn't add much vegetable. And I used to add shrimp, seafood, and pineapple. He doesn't like. He like pepperoni pizza, so I add very much pepperoni for him and cheese, and then he like his pizza very crispy and burned. The topping burned. That's how he like his pizza. So I thought about other pizza at the restaurant. The topping looks colorful and juicy, but my pizza look bone topping and crispy because my husband like this way. I always missing pizza in Thailand. There are many variety topping. Nowadays I watch one YouTube channel, Thai woman with American husband. They own the pizza food cart. Hold on, what is called? The food truck. Okay, they sell pizza and then they created the Thai curry pizza. I really want to try that, but I didn't have the chance because they live in other states. Anyway, every time when I watch Thai travel channel and they at the restaurant which create new pizza topping, I really miss pizza in Thailand very much. And this is the cooked pizza, as you see on the top, bone. Thank you for listening to me. I hope you enjoy and have a great time. Come back again, okay? Bye.